Okay, so I will start second unit, identification and analysis of need. Okay, as we discussed in upcoming units, we are going to discuss about morphology of design in detail. Okay, in unit 2, we are going to discuss about identification and analysis of need in detail by considering some of the case studies and some of the examples of problems and how designer will try to find solution to these problems. Okay. This is the content of unit 2, identification and analysis of need. This includes preliminary need statement, analysis of need, specifications, standards of performance and constraints. Okay, this is the objective. So after completing studying this unit, you must be able to identify and analyze the need for solving engineering problems. Okay, realization of the need. Recognizing a need is in itself a creative process. Okay, we think designing is a creative process, but here the author is suggesting that recognizing a need is itself is a creative process. Why recognizing a need is a creative process? Why it is a creative process, recognizing a need? Okay, what are the strategies adopted by MNCs or companies of today to understand need of people?
They create a need themselves.
They create a need and
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is also correct. Okay, how now what strategy they will adopt to do market survey? Traditional market survey, there were sales representatives, there are people who used to do a phone call, or they used to do direct interviews, and they used to take feedback. Now, what is the strategy adopted by most of the companies to understand the mindset or the mentality of consumers? Okay, so I think most of you use social media platforms like Facebook. Okay, so quite often you will find a lot of advertisements on Facebook. Most of the times these advertisements are related to your interest. How Facebook is able to know that you are interested in these products or you are interested in these fields? How Facebook is able to know your interest?
They track our phone, like what we see in Amazon, in online shopping websites.
Okay.
So if
So,
we see some information regarding camera, the camera advertisement will be shown on Facebook.
okay. So now even the process of we call this as business functions. Okay, business functions of an organization, that is a marketing, okay, sales promotion, and again getting feedback from the consumers and understanding the needs of consumers. All this comes under business function. Okay, these big business functions are nowadays carried out with the help of algorithms, not by using people, by using algorithms. It is possible. Okay, this has been done by YouTube, Facebook, even Google ads, or the ads which you are going to see on YouTube when you are watching some other videos, or when you are using Facebook also, you can get relevant ads. All these are based on what content you are viewing on various platforms. Okay, new ಯಾವ content you are consuming. Okay, if you are reading some articles on various websites, okay, based on that also it is possible for the algorithm to know your interest, whether you are interested in politics, you are interested in literature, you are interested in vehicles, you are interested in cars, you are interested in headphones. Okay, based on what you like, which content you are consuming on various platforms, so automatically your database will be in the hands of some of the companies. Okay, based on that they will segregate this data. Okay, this will be done automatically with the help of algorithms. Okay, and again, right now nowadays writing this algorithm in a most effective way is also a creative process. Okay, you have to understand. You have to come up with some of the logic. Okay, so to predict the interest of people. Okay, that's why recognizing a need is also a creative process. You have to think a lot, you have to come up with new idea. So when you have to think and you have to generate new idea, that is nothing but that is a creative process. That's why recognizing a need itself is a creative process. Okay, many of the design problems encountered by a practicing engineer are communicated to him by his employers or customers. Okay, after your graduation, if you become an engineer, okay, if you are working under someone else, need not worry too much about new products and innovation. Okay, they will give you all required details, they will assign you work. Most of the times your design work will be repetitive, you are going to do the same work for number of years. After a few years you may get bored. Okay, then you may think about starting your own company so that you can become boss. Then again you have to go through this creative process. When you are at the management level, okay, so you have to think a lot. You must be able to make decisions, you must be able to generate innovative ideas. When you are working as a subordinate under someone, then it is like a routine work, it is mechanical in nature, okay, than creative. Okay, preliminary need statement. Okay, in all design situations, the first task of the designer is to determine what exactly is needed. Okay, so that you should know. Without understanding the need properly, you cannot find required solutions. Okay, so first thing is you have to understand the need, what is actually required. Okay, that is very important. And this need will be communicated by this need statement. By looking at the problem statement, you must be able to understand, okay, what is actually required, for which problem I need to generate solutions. Okay. Quite often, the designer and sponsors of the design identify a wrong need and take up a wrong problem to handle. Okay, so this quite often this will happen. If someone fail to understand the actual need, then that will result in the consequences. Okay, we know you can apply the same thing for how we handle the problem of corona. Okay, so during March and April, we were very enthusiastic and we were busy with clapping and we were busy with a lot of other things. Okay, now even Delhi doctors are protesting. Now in during March and April we were busy with okay, clapping and okay, so we using helicopters to put flowers on the race. We do a lot of drama, but now there are real issues. We failed. Okay, when why this happened was, again, we failed to identify the exact nature of the problem, exact nature of the corona pandemic. Okay, so information was also unavailable, that is another thing. When we fail to understand the actual nature of the problem, then the solutions we try to generate, they will become laughable, like what we done during March and April. Okay, now if you go back what we did, they are like laughable now. Okay, so even this will happen for every design problem or every decision making problem. If you don't understand the problem, exact nature of the problem, and if you take incorrect decisions, okay, no use. That will result in instead of solving problem, that will increase the complexity of the problem, that will make the problem more complicated than simplifying that problem. It frequently happens that a designer starts thinking of the solutions even before he has clearly identified the need. Okay, so this will happen. Without understanding the question, at times we try to answer quickly. Okay, and even without understanding the problem, at times we try to go for finding solutions. Okay, so but when you're going for developing a new product, first you should understand the problem and need. After you are convinced that you have understood the need properly, then only go for finding solutions for that need. Okay, so these are the things you should remember. regarding stating a problem. Okay, so these are the things, these are very useful even during your project work. Okay, so if you are doing final year project work, most of the things which you are going to learn in this course, you can implement in your project work. You can follow all these things in project work. Okay, this is an example of realizing the need. If you don't realize the need properly, what will happen to your product? This is the example. Okay, so there are two cars. Okay, so Nano and Alto. Which is successful in market now?
Alto.
Alto. Okay, why? What was the reason why Nano failed in the market? Even its production. What was the reason?
The design, I think so.
Design.
Some cars got fire.
Cars get fired. Okay. Then
Safety purpose.
yeah.
safety purpose. Okay. Then so both are the consumer base of both this Nano and Alto. Both are same. Both are low cost cars. Okay. That means they are targeting the same consumers, same set of consumers. But people accepted Alto, even though they are ready to pay 1 or 2 lakhs more compared to Nano car, but they don't want to have Nano car. Okay, so there are, that means the need for having low cost cars is, there are people, okay, so they don't have enough money, but they want to own a car. Okay, they don't want to invest much amount for getting a car, but they want car at low cost. Okay, this is the need understood by both Tata company and okay, so Maruti Suzuki. Okay, Maruti company. And again, even at the beginning, Nano, they promised to deliver this car at a cost of 1 lakh. Okay, so people thought this idea, this product will revolutionize, where this product, this Nano car may compete with most of the two-wheelers. People may shift from two-wheelers to car because they are able to get car for 1 lakh, but that doesn't happen. Okay, the reason, there are many things. People worried about its safety aspects, and even there was another problem with its branding itself. Okay, so a Nano car was branded as poor man's car. Okay, people, whether they don't have enough money or not, they also worried about social status. Okay, if they don't want to get recognized themselves as poor, they have many problems, but they don't want themselves to be projected as poor. Okay, they thought if you own a Nano car, okay, society may look at us and it may laugh. Okay, this also had a negative impact on the product called Nano. Okay, that's why understanding the need and the way in which you communicate that need to consumers play a important role. Okay, otherwise product will fail, even though it will create lot of curiosity in the market. After its launching, it will result in failure like Nano. Okay, even today Alto is the leading brand in low cost vehicles. Okay, even they are coming with upgraded models. Okay, but whereas Nano, we know what happened to it. Okay, so continue this in next class. Okay, so in order to understand what should be the approach of an engineer, okay, to understand need, and there are some activities and there are some, okay, so problems which we look into to understand how we can put effort to understand problem properly. Okay, so I'll continue in next class, and next Friday, I think 23rd, you have internals. Okay, for internals you have unit 1 and unit 2 is the syllabus. I will share the study material of unit 1. I will upload it to Microsoft Teams, and also I will share that on WhatsApp group also. Okay, so you can start preparing for unit 1, later after completion of unit 2, I will share the study material of unit 2 also. Okay, and since these are open book questions, okay, so you can go through material and anything. Questions will be such that two answers cannot be alike. Okay, ibru one answer ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. If you do that, it means you are copying from others. Okay, you have to write on your own, think on your own, you have to write. Same answer ಬರೆದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ದವನಿಗೂ ಸೊನ್ನೆನೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ದವನಿಗೂ ಸೊನ್ನೆನೆ. Okay, that you should remember. You must be able to apply the concepts and you must be able to write on your own. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಥವಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆಯೋ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, that you should remember. Okay, questions will be you learn concepts, apply, write on your own, you will get marks. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ನೀವೇ ಏನಾರು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ you will get marks. Okay, if you have any other questions you can ask, otherwise I will wind up this class.